Hi, this is Jayapriya from IT department, St. Joseph College of Engineering. Today we are going to see the topic Introduction to Python, Data Types and Functions. First we will see Introduction to Python. Introduction to Python. Python is an interpreted, general purpose, interactive, object-oriented programming language. So Python is a general purpose, interactive and interpreted and object-oriented programming language. So general purpose interactive means we can run the program at a runtime. We can process the Python program at a runtime. That one we will call it as interactive programs. Interpreted, we can work at the Python prompt and run the programs and it compiles the programs. That is interpreted. Object oriented, it supports classes and objects, so we will call it as object oriented programming languages. So these are the Python introduction. It was invented by, that means created by Guido van Rossum during the year 1985 to 1990, but it was released in 2000. So some of the important features of Python are easy to maintain, it is portable. So we can maintain the Python codes very easily, and portable means we can run the Python codes on various platforms, hardware platforms. So it is portable. These are the features of Python. Next, there are two types of modes in Python. Modes in Python, there are two types of modes. First one is script mode, second one is interactive mode. First one is script mode. Script mode means we have to open the file and we have to type the program and we have to save the program. That is script mode. So we have to save the program as .py, file name .py. We have to save it like this. We have to open the file, type the program and save the file as file name .py. For example, we will say add.py. We have to save like this. So after that we have to compile the program. But in this interactive mode, we will sit at the Python prompt and we have to compile the program while running time. That is interactive mode. We can interact with the interpreter directly and write the programs. So that one we will call it as interactive mode. Script mode is we have to open the file, type the program and save the file, and the file name should be file name.py. Example, if you are using addition program, we have to use add.py. So these are the two modes. So what is the advantage of script mode? If there is any error happens in the program that we have typed, we will edit the program. So that is the main advantage. But here in the interactive mode, we are interacting directly. So if there is any error, we can't. It is not possible to edit the program. We have to type the program again. That is the main disadvantage in the interactive mode. So here that is the advantage, here that is the disadvantage. So here what is the disadvantage? It takes more time. Script mode means it takes more time. Interactive mode, it takes less time. So while typing the program itself, we will get the output. So it takes less time. That is the advantage of the interactive mode. So we will see the differences. Script mode, interactive mode. Here it takes more time, here it takes less time. Can't edit, we can edit edit the program, can't edit the program. So we have to type the program again. So these are the differences in the interactive mode and the script mode. These are about the modes. Next we will see variable. Variable. Variable is used to store the values. Variable is used to store the values. For example, a is equal to 5. Here a is the variable. It is used to store the value 5. So that is variable. Next we will see the data types. We will see the data types of Python. So there are some data types. First one is integer. Next one is float, complex. Third one is complex. Fourth one is string. Fifth one is list. Sixth one is tuple. Seventh one is dictionary. Eighth one is sets. First we will see the integer. Integer means it is the whole number consisting of either positive or negative numbers. Example 5. So this is the integer. So we have stored the integer in a variable. So integer is a whole number, either it can be positive or negative numbers. That one is integer, the first one. Second one, float. So it will be in the decimal. So 5.5 example. We have stored this float values in this variable a. So this is float. Next, third one, complex. Example, I will write the example. It consists of both real part and the imaginary part. This 5 is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So this is the imaginary part and this 5 is the real part. This 5 is the real part. So this is the complex. Next we will see the string. So integer means it is a whole number. It can be either positive or negative. Float means it is in decimal point. Complex means it consists of both real and imaginary part. That is complex. Next we are going to see string. String is a collection of characters enclosed in a quotation. That means the quotation can be either single quotation or double quotation. So it is a collection of character enclosed in a quotation mark. It can be either single or double. So operations of string. We will see the operations of string. First one, indexing, slicing. Third one, concatenation. Fourth one, repetition. Fifth one, membership. So these are the operations of string. First one we will see the indexing. So indexing we will see the example. For indexing we will see example. So string A, positive index, negative index, HELLO 1 2 3 4 0 1 3 minus 4 minus 5. So this is the example string A. It consists of hello. So we have given the group of characters enclosed in the quotation mark, that is hello. This is the string. Then string name is A and the positive index it starts from the beginning. That means 0 1 2 3 4. Negative index start, we can access the string from the last. That means it starts from the last, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So indexing. Indexing, if you want to use print, here I will give here print of A, so it displays the all values HELLO, it displays all values. If I give print of A of 0, the output should be, so it displays the output. A of 0 means this is the 1, so H value will be displayed. If I give print of A of 2, so 0, 1, 2, L will be displayed. So L will be displayed. If I give print of A of -1, then O will be displayed. So this is the negative index. So in the indexing, there are two types of indexing, positive index and negative index. Positive index starts from the first and the negative index start from the last. So here we have given two positive numbers, here we have given one negative number. So this is indexing. So by using this example, we have seen the indexing. That means we are going to access the particular values from particular index. Next one, we are going to see slicing. Slicing means part of the string, we will call it as slicing. That means otherwise we will call it as segment of the string. So we will, here we have access to only the particular value or particular string, particular character. But if you want to get the group of characters, for that we are using slicing. So next one, we will see slicing. Slicing example, if I give here slicing example, print A of 0:3, that means it displays, it starts from H, that means 0. So 3 means here, if it is n means we have to stop before n minus 1. 3 means 2. From 2 it has 2 until 2 only it has to taken the value 0, 1, 2. So that means HEL. Our output is HEL. This is our output. Next, if I give print of A. So what is A here? Name of the string. Print of 0:2. If I can give like this, then so it has to start from 0 and goes to the last. Start from 0 means HELLO. So if I give print of that means if I didn't mention the first one, here I have given the first subscript, here I didn't give the first subscript, I have given the second subscript. So if I didn't mention the first subscript, it starts from the 0. That means start from 0. That means HEL. It stopped until 2. So I already told it denotes the n minus 1. It takes the output as n minus 1. So here our output should be HEL. This is our output. So if I give another one example, if I give print of A of, I have given the first subscript, I have given the second subscript, I have given both. Next, if I give 1:4, 1:4 means it starts from E. So 4 means here, it will stop up to this. So 1 means ELL. So E1 ELL. This is our output. So in the slicing, we are going to take the part of the string, that is we will call it as slicing. In the indexing, we can access the particular character. So in the slicing, we can access the part of the string, that one we will call it as, that means segment of the string, we will call it as slicing. Next one, concatenation. We will see the example for concatenation. Concatenation, as the name suggests, it combines two strings. So for example, we have given A is equal to concatenation. This is the example for concatenation. It combines or it joins two strings. That one concatenation. A is equal to, example, A is equal to wood, B is equal to earth. So if I am going to concatenate, print A plus B. So what is my output? Good earth. So this is my output. How I have written, it will be displayed, good earth. So this is the concatenation. I have used two strings here, A and B. In the A string, I have stored the value good, and the B string, I have stored the value earth. I have concatenated. So the symbol used for concatenation is plus operator. Okay, this is the symbol we have used for concatenation. Next one, repetition. Repetition means, so here I am going to use repetition. A is print 3. So I have given this, I have used the same example. In the B string, I have saved earth. So how many times I want to repeat the string? At that time I have given the left side. So 3, this is the times I want the string to be repeated. So the operator we have used here is asterisk. The operator we have used for concatenation is plus. So if I give 3 means, so what is the value we have stored in B, earth. So if I have given 3 star B means, what is the string stored in earth, it will be repeated for 3 times. What is our output now? Earth, earth, earth. So this is my output. So it will be displayed for 3 times. So if I can use another one also, print 2 star A. So what is the string we have stored in A? Good. So I want the string for 2 times. So I have mentioned it as 2. So good, good, good. So this will be displayed. So 2 times it will be displayed. That is repetition. Okay, this is the repetition. Next, the last one is membership. We will see the membership. Membership, there are 2 types of membership. There are 2 types of membership. First one is in and the second one is not in. In means if the particular character present in the particular string, then it returns true. If it is not there, it returns false. So not in means if the particular character present in the string means, is not in the string means it returns true. If it is there, if it is there means it returns false. So there are 2 types of membership, in and not in. If the particular character is present in the string, it returns true for in. If it is not there, it returns false. So if it is there, it returns true. If it is not there, it returns false. Here, if it is not there, it returns true. If it is there, it returns false. This is the membership. We will see one example. A is equal to good. So I will find M in A. So I am here I have used the operator in. So I am going to check the string character M is in the string A. So if it is there means it returns true. If it is not there means it returns false. Here M is not there, so it returns false. We will see another one example. So O in A. O is there or not, O is there in A, so it returns true. We are going to use the not in character, not in membership. So here not in, that means M not in A. M is not in A, so it is not there. M is not there, so it returns true. So these are the operations of string. Next we are going to see list. So list is a group collection of elements, different types of elements enclosed in square bracket. The elements are separated by commas. It is a collection of different types of elements enclosed in square bracket separated by commas. Okay, example 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. This is the list. So we have saved the list in A is equal to. Here also some of the operations are there. The operations of list are same: indexing, slicing, concatenation, repetition. These are the operations. Indexing, same similarly like the string, we are going to use the indexing. So print of, here we have used the list name as A, print A of 0. 0 means it displays the value 1. If I given print A of 3, 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. 5 is the value, so it displays the value 5. So it displays the particular number that is in the list, or particular value that is in the list. So list is the collection of different types of elements enclosed in square bracket and it is separated by commas. So this is indexing. Next one, slicing. Slicing, here we will give print A of 0 is to 2. So 0 is to 2 means it will start from 0. That means 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2 means here we will mark it as n. N minus 1 means it will have to stop 0 and 1. The output is 1 and 2. Next we will give another one example, print of A of 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 means, so this is the 1. So our output is 2. Here this is the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has to stop up to 3. So our output is 2, 4, 5. This is the output. Next one, slicing. We are going to give another one example. Print A of colon 3. That means it starts from the first 0, 1, 2. So the output is 1, 2, 4. This is the output. So this is slicing. Next, concatenation. We are going to see concatenation. Whatever we have seen in the string, that is the same happens in the here also. Concatenation. So here A is equal to, we have given the value. Next we have given the value for B. I have given 0, 2. 0 already 2 is there. I will give 3. 0, 3. Next, if I give already A, we have created the list. Now I am going to create another list B. It consists of two values 0 and 3. I am going to concatenate print A plus B. So it combines the two strings. We know plus is the operator used for concatenation. So it combines two strings. Print A plus B. What is the output? The output is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, and this b value will be added at the last. Next, the next one is repetition. If you want to combine another string, we can combine another string also. The next one, repetition. So repetition, here we are going to use the asterisk operator for repetition. How many times do we want? Print of a star 2. If I will give b star 2. So whatever values we have stored in b, it will be repeated for 2 times. So 0, 3, 0, 3. It will be repeated. So how many times? Here we have to given 2. How many times do we want? That will be, we have to given here 2 into b. So it will be repeated for 2 times. If I give 3 here, so it will be repeated for 3 times. For example, print 3 star b. So it will be displayed 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3. 3 times it will be displayed. So these are the operations of the list. Next, if you want to update an element, we can update here also. How we can update, we will see it. We can update the element also here. So if I give print of a, so print of a, all the values will be displayed. If I give print of a, all the values will be displayed. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, all the values will be displayed. I want to update the value. I want update. Now we are going to update an element. So I want to update a value. So a of 2 is equal to, a of 2 is equal to, I am going to give 10. So already a of 2, 4 is there. I want to update a value. A of 2 is equal to 10. Now I am going to give print of a. So what will be happening? The output is 1, 2, 10, 5, 8. It will be updated. So whatever value I have given, it will be updated. So update means already in the second index 4 is there. It has been replaced by 10. Next, this is the update. Next one is the insert. Insert. If I give a dot insert of 0, apple. If I give like this, so our output will be, apple will be displayed first. Apple, 1, 2, 10, 5, 8. So this will be displayed. So update means the old value is replaced, and insert means the old value is not replaced. We are going to insert the element. So for that, the syntax is the file string list name dot insert. What is the index we need to update and what is the value we need to update. This is the update. Okay, next we will use here remove also. If you want to give remove, we can remove also. Remove. If I want to remove the 0 value, so I can remove it. So I can remove whatever values I want to remove. That one also we can remove by using list. List is immutable. Sorry, list is mutable. Tuple is immutable. Next we are going to see tuple, that is immutable. List is immutable. That means we can add, we can insert, whatever changes we want to do, we can do it. So list is mutable. We can change it. So we want to insert an element, we can insert it. We want to delete an element, we will delete it. That is list. Next we are going to see tuple. Tuple is a collection of elements. separated by commas and it's enclosed in parentheses. That means, for example, 1, 2, apple, ball. So like this, it is enclosed in parentheses. Here the tuple name is A. Okay, it is a collection of elements, different types of elements separated by commas and is enclosed in parentheses. Here also the operations of tuple are, tuple is immutable. So here once we have created, we can't able to insert an element, edit, remove an element. But list, once we have created, we can change it. Here we can't change it. Here the operations of tuples are indexing, slicing, same concatenation, repetitions. These are the operations of tuple. First one, indexing. Similarly, we have seen in the list. So it is used to access the particular value or particular number. If I give print of A, that means the whole value will be displayed. If I mention print of 2, then 0, 1, 2, apple will be displayed. Here apple will be displayed. If I mention print of A of 1, here A of 1 is 2, 2 will be displayed. Our output 2 will be displayed. If we want to get the particular value or particular string, we will use the indexing. By giving the index position, we will access the element. Next one, slicing. Slicing means part of the tuple is said to be slicing. We are going to take the part of the tuple. That one we will call it as slicing. So we will see the example. Print A of 0 is to 3. So 0 is to 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to finish n minus 1. So this is n means n minus 1 apple. So our output is 1, 2 apple. Next, we are going to see print A of 2. So it starts from 0. So 0, 1. So these are the two outputs. These are the two outputs. Next one, print of, we will see another one example, print of A 1 is to, if you are not mentioning the second subscript, then it starts with 1 and goes to the last. So 2, apple, ball. So these are the outputs for the slicing. The same we have studied in string and list. Next we are going to see the concatenation. So here in this part it starts with 0 and goes up to 2. Here it starts from 0. If you are not mentioning any first subscript, so it starts from 0 and goes to n means this is n minus 1 means 1, 0, 1. So here we have mentioned the first subscript, so it starts from 1 and goes to the last. If you are not mentioning the second subscript, it goes to the last. Next one, concatenation. Concatenation, here also we are using the same symbol plus. Here we are going to combine two tuples. So what are the first tuple we have mentioned here? The second tuple we have given 7, 9. So we are going to combine the two tuples now. Print A plus B. So we are going to combine the two tuples A and B. What is the value in A? 1, 2. So now the output is 1, 2, apple, ball, 7, 9. This is the output for this. We are combining two tuples. The first tuple is A and the second tuple is B. So when we are combining, at the end of the first tuple, the second tuple will be added. This is concatenation, repetition. Next one, repetition. Here how many times we want to display the particular tuple, we have mentioned it at the left side. So here I have given print of B, how many times I want to give 3 into B, that means my output should be 7, 9, 3 times it will be displayed. So this is tuple, all the outputs are also enclosed in the parenthesis. 3 times it will be displayed. So we have seen the operations. Indexing. Indexing means it takes the particular element or particular number. Slicing means part of the string, part of the tuple. Concatenation means it combines two tuples. Repetitions, how many times you want to repeat the values, that much time it will be repeated. Next one, dictionary. Sir, 10 minutes. Rajesh sir, 10 minutes. Dictionary. So dictionary, it consists of keys and values. Here the keys and values, the values are separated by commas. So dictionary, it is enclosed in curly braces. It is enclosed in curly braces. It consists of keys and values. The values are separated by commas. For example, name, comma, age, comma, mark, $70, $80. So this is the dictionary we have created. If I give print of A, all the values will be displayed. Name, B, age, 18, next mark, 80. All the values will be displayed. This is dictionary. So if you want to index the particular value, so we will give the dictionary by using, this is the key, this is the values. So here keys are what? How many keys are there in this example? The keys are name, age, mark. These are the keys, and values B, 18, 80. These are the values. So if you have given keys and values, and these are separated by commas, this is dictionary. Next one, sets. Sets, we have given the elements in the curly braces and the elements are separated by commas. It doesn't contain any duplicate values. That one we will call it as sets. I have given sets example 3, 4, 5 and 5, 4. So if I given like this, so it will remove the duplicate values. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will give like this. So it is sets means it removes the duplicate values. So these are all about the data types of Python. We have seen list, first one integer, float, next complex, list, tuple, dictionary, sets. We have seen all the data types. Next we are going to see the functions. Functions, there are two types. Functions means it is the subprogram. It consists of set of instructions to perform a particular task. So functions is mainly used to reduce the length of the program. The main advantage is reusability. So mainly it is used to reduce the length of the program. So the main advantage is reusability. We can reuse the code again and again. So by using the reusability, the program looks very neat. So there are two types of functions. First one, user defined function. First one, built-in function. Second one, user defined function. Built-in function means this is the function already written by the programmer to give the instruction, to give the particular task. For example, if we give the built-in function example, minimum of 5, 2, it displays 2. So already the programmer have written the instructions to display the minimum value. So we are going to use the built-in function minimum. So here if I give maximum of 5, 2, it displays the value 5. So this is the function to display the maximum value. So these are there are so many built-in functions are there. This is some of the examples of the built-in functions. Next we are going to see the user-defined functions. So for our purpose, what are the functions? We need to do some programs. So we need to do some specific tasks. We are generating user-defined functions. For that we are using two parts for that. First one is function definition and function calling. Second one is function calling. So these are the two parts we have used for the user defined function. First one is function definition. In the function definition, the syntax is def function name, here parameter list. We have to use here statements. We have to give the statements here. This is the syntax for the function definition. So def is the keyword, function name is the name of the function we have used, and parameter list. What are the parameters we have used? That is the parameter list we have used here. Next statements. What are the statements we need to? That means body of the function. This is function definition. Next function calling. The syntax for this is function name, argument list. So we will use function name and argument list. Example, add. So this is the function name. We can give, if there is any argument, we will use it, otherwise we will mention like this. Okay, so function definition syntax, def function name, parameter list, statements. Function calling syntax, function name, argument list. So we are going to use these the syntax for calculating, for defining the functions. We will see example. We will see one example program. So we will see the addition program. DEF add of A is equal to 5, semicolon, there in the syntax there is a colon, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2, C is equal to A plus B, rend C, add of. So if you are writing a program like this, the cursor will come to the function calling. Here is the function calling. It calls the function definition. So it will go here. A assigns the value 5 to the variable A, 2 to the variable B. Then calculating C is equal to A plus B. Finally it prints C. So our output will be 7. This is our output. So this type of code we can use again and again. Wherever we need in the program, we can write this type of code again and again. Okay, that's all about the functions. Okay, thank you. Sir.